Well, Home Depot's just been an absolute monster. But, I mean, it's been a monster prior to this monster storm, so I don't think anything's necessarily changing. Maybe you get some, and, you know, I don't mean to be glib, but you're going to get obviously some tailwinds on the back of that for Home Depot. But Target, to me, if you want to talk about big box, I mean, look at their last quarter. I mean, comps were up 6.5%. The street was much lower than that. They beat on EPS. They beat on revenue. Their margins are hanging in there. And you have to ask yourself the following question. Does Target make sense at close to 16 times when Walmart's closer to 19? So I think just on valuation in this environment, Target makes sense.
If you look at the insurance companies, largely, you know, they are the ones that people point at. How big of a loss is it going to be? They have not been trading well, period. So, you know, if you think that they've got more room for exposure, I'd say, you know, Hartford is the most interesting because on a relative basis to Chubb and Travelers, it actually trades quite cheap. They made a recent acquisition. The Navigators deal is accretive. So if these things get sold off on this news, typically, again, these guys have underwritten and have laid off a lot of this exposure. I actually think they're worth buying.